Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Regional Committee jong ka West Jaiñtia Hills Meghalaya but ka Regional Committee West Karbi Anglong Assam hene ka si khat sautri ku jilio arajar apulai kalasong ka jingelang baningkong bania Jingpynbeit put hakawat ka baar lani ka second phase ya ka bala penong state convention Shillong ya kani ka jingelang lakli do chairman ka Regional Committee West Jaiñtia Hills Meghalaya ubas niya bhalang dhar ubadiru sambut menteri rangba ka jilla but upiyush Hazarika kumu chairman ka Regional Committee West Karbi Anglong Assam ha ka jingdon lang ki he officer jong baro artri ki jilla haba ajin kran shigilat pathai khubor hadian ka jingelang ubas niya bhalang dhar uloong bakni ka jingelang ka de kum shibanta ban sedangno ka Jingpynbeit put hapdeng baro artri ki jilla.
So today is the first meeting of both the regional committee from Assam side and the Meghalaya side. Today is the first meeting, so at least we have the opportunity to introduce each other all the member. And we had decided the meeting also, so we'll start working out all the formula now about the second phase of border issues. So in the days to come, so the respective member who comes from both sides, they'll start going to the side of the field and we'll come with the report in few months or few weeks.
So who all attended this meeting? Anybody?
Yes, sir is PUC, the chairman regional committee from Assam, and I'm the chairman from the side, and all the other members.
What is your approach when dealing with these difficult areas?
Oh, the approach is that to solve the border issues. That is the main thing.
Give and take, GT's approach.
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided, so let us go to the field and all the local.
Amicably?
Yeah, listen for them and everything will be solved amicably from both sides.
So when are you going to jointly visit these borders?
So jointly visit, actually both the chief ministers desire to visit, so we will wait the time for them.
What about at the level of the regional committees?
The regional committee, because we are targets to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month, July, we have to visit.
More than 31 villages under Block 1, they have requested the government of Meghalaya to ensure that they are included in the state. So was
No, we
this also discussed?
didn't mention anything about 30, 40 villages, so now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe we'll come the actual figure in next week.
The Karbi area is always a problematic.
See, block 1 is different and Ïakynduh is different. So we will try to see first the low-hanging fruit first. That is the main need now. Okay?
What is the assurance from Assam that there is no disturbance there?
See, there are no disturbance from Assam. Miscreants disturbance not belong to the state. We are very friendly. We should have very good relationship with Meghalaya, and we have. So we don't have problem with Meghalaya people. Miscreants don't belong to us. That is simple. So we have high regards to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of other part of the northeastern part of the country. So amicably we should settle our long pending issues. We have long pending border dispute, but we are sure, I am sure, we'll be able to settle amicably within a very short period of time.
Miscreants are from Assam. Miscreants are from Assam.
No, both miscreants from many sides only. How will you miscreant is miscreant?